Wall console displays showing error codes can totally freak you out, but knowing how to handle them can save you a ton of stress and money, you know? So, first off, when your wall console flashes an error code, don't panic. Jot down the exact code and check the manual or the manufacturer's website to decode what it means. Most errors hint at simple stuff like wiring issues or sensor problems. Try resetting the system by turning it off for a minute and then back on. That often clears minor glitches. If the error points to a clogged filter or blocked vent, clean those out right away. For power-related errors, double-check your circuit breakers or fuses. When in doubt, call a professional to avoid messing with complicated electrical parts. Keep a regular maintenance schedule so your system doesn't throw errors as often. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wall console error codes is ignoring them, hoping they'll just go away, which often leads to bigger issues and costly repairs. Another common problem is trying to fix electrical errors without proper knowledge, risking damage or injury. Always get an expert if you're unsure. Third, folks often forget to regularly clean or replace filters and vents, which causes sensor errors and inefficient operation. Simple upkeep can prevent this. Fix these by paying attention to your console's messages, not DIYing beyond your skills, and keeping up with maintenance like a pro. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners needing trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors connect with more clients looking for quality work without the hassle of endless searching.